Hey everyone, happy Sunday. It's Marissa here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and watching. So I have a haul that I did yesterday. I went to Downtown L.A. to go meet some girlfriends, and it was for Anna's birthday that's coming up. So we celebrated it at the winery as usual, and before going to the winery, Anna and I met to go do a little bit shopping at Downtown L.A. And I left my house. It normally takes me about an hour, but this time there was absolutely no traffic at all because I left like at 7 o'clock in the morning. Like literally 7 o'clock in the morning, and it took me about 45 minutes to get there, which is super fast. So I was super excited that there was no traffic, but however, of course, so it took me about 45 minutes to get there, and on the way home, it took me about an hour and 30 minutes to get home, and I got home like around 4 o'clock in the early evening. So yeah, I had a full day yesterday, and I was so tired when I got home, and I was so tired when I got back home, or when I woke up this morning. So I'm finally able to do this video for you. So the first place that we usually go to, we hit up, because I think they open like at 8 o'clock in the morning. So that's where we hit up first, and it is the, it's Bohemian Crystal, but they're also known as the Bead Factory. So it's kind of like the same place. So, this is their card that they have, and they have so much things. And for those of you who have not been to Downtown LA at the Bead Factory, this place, I kid you not, has beads from the ceiling to the floor all around the store. So yeah, so I'm going to show you what I got from the Bead Factory. The first thing that I picked up were these what size? 3.4 millimeter beads. I do not have any of these. I have like the bigger ones, but because I'm going to try to make this one bracelet that I saw, I picked these up, and I got all these different colors, and these were $1.50. So I picked up all these gorgeous beads, and even if I don't, if I try to make the bracelet and it's a total fail, then at least I know I have these beads on hand, because I don't have any. So I picked up that, and then I picked up these. I've never seen them before because they have like a little room to the side where they normally have their sequins. And I picked up these. The camera doesn't know justice, but they're so beautiful, and they are like different colors. So I'll show you this one. So I got 5 different colors, and they're hearts, and these were a little bit more. They're $3.50, and they're see-through glass. And then on the side, there's like this is like a really it's between a silver and gold, but it's really gorgeous, and I love that the color is, the glass is tinted on the hearts. So that's why I picked up that. Oh, and I don't know if you can see this one. This one's really pretty. It's like a bronze color on the side, and then it's pink, but you can't tell. So I picked up those, and then I picked up, I think I have these already, but I picked it up anyways because I just love these beads. They're like see-through, and then like a solid color bead. And I got 2 of them, and these are 6 by 8 millimeter beads, and they were $1.50, so I got 2. And then I've picked this up before and hauled it before. So I got these 2 heart beads. This has a more iridescent, and this is more like a crystal heart. And these were $2.75. So I picked up those gorgeousness. And then I've hauled these ones before as well. And these are like a different type of heart, like those wonky hearts. Look at how gorgeous that is. This is like a metallic type of bluish, and this one's like a mermaid color. It's hard to tell because the only thing that they have on the tags is the price and the size of it. They don't tell you like if there's a specific color, but that was $3.75. And then I also got a smaller version of this one. Isn't that cute? And this one was $3.75 as well. And then I picked up some really pretty cute little round seed beads. And these were $1.50. Pick that up. And then I did pick up some sequins. I'm going to be having a sequin de-stash again because I just have way too many. But the reason why I bought these is because I don't have this specific color. So that's why I only bought this color. They have like a whole wall of sequins, and out of all of them, I only picked up this size. These are 8mm, and this is a 6mm, and they're 50 grams in here, and they were $1.50. So, picked up that. I did pick up some findings because I originally wanted to go there because I needed some gold bead caps. So I picked up all these different bead caps here. And I'll just show you it one by one just in case. So there's 11 pieces in here, and then I don't know why there's 10 pieces in here. There should be 11. They were $1.50. And that is what they look like. They're just different styles. Here's this one. And it's so funny because I tried to look for bead caps like at Michael's and Joann's, and they didn't have none whatsoever. They had a lot of silver bead caps, but they did not have gold. So that's why I picked up a few of these. I said I might as well just buy them all. Picked up that, and then you guys, they had mermaid and unicorn charms. And I'm going to take it out of here. This was $1.50, and there's 5 in there. And this is silver. They had some other ones, but I wasn't really into them as I was into these. So that's why I left them at the store and picked these ones. So this one looks like that. So it's just like a regular simple unicorn. So I picked that up in silver. I also picked it up in, what is this, gold. And then they had different mermaid ones, but this is the only mermaid one I got, and there's 4 pieces for $2. But let me show you what they look like, because they are super cute. I've never seen anyone have this at any stores, but look, so it's a mermaid, but her body wiggles. You see it moves. So I thought that was pretty cool. And that's the back side. So I picked up that. And then I just picked up some, a few cabochons. I've hauled this before. There's 2 of them in here for $1.50. And I just don't have this color. It's always hit or miss with the Bee Factory because they change up. If you don't go there very often, then you'll notice that they change up everything, and sometimes they have it in stock, sometimes they do. But I was lucky because I have this particular type of bow, but I don't have the color. And this camera is not doing it any justice because this color is so gorgeous, and you guys know I love my blue. So I picked up that, and then I've never saw these before. These are $1.50 with 8 pieces in it. And they're like a really beautiful blue, like a dark blue. And let me just take one out so I can show you. And they're not like real crystals or anything like that. See, I can't show you because my camera kind of sucks. It's not focusing. There you go. So look at how pretty that is. I love it so much. So I picked that up, and then I've also hauled this before, and I made a paper clip with it. And it is just this cabochon with a bow, and it's a Hello Kitty. And there's one in there for $1.50. I think the other one that I hauled like a few years ago had like a red bow. That, and I picked up these threading needles for $1.50 because I need that for what I'm making. And then I picked up some stretchy wire or elastic, and this was $2.50. So I bought two. And then last but not least, I've never seen these before, but I picked it up because it was so adorable, and I know I probably can use it for something. Look at how cute. They're like little, they're like little bells, and they're Hello Kitty charms. Super, super cute. And these were $2 for two, so I picked that up. And then they had the heads of the Hello Kitty, the bling in the little star. And then, of course, you guys, I had to pick up this. It's a panda bear. So I picked that up. So that is what I got from the Bead Factory. And let me just push this aside. And my other favorite store that I like to go to that's literally across the street is called Gold Star. And as you can see, I spent $20. It's called Gold Star Fashion and Findings. And this is where we usually get my charms. But however, they had a whole bunch of boxes with a whole bunch of things on clearance. And 200 pieces. I got this big old bag for $5. And Anna and I will be sharing this. Because, you know, I can't do anything with this big bag. So I picked up that. And then they had another $5 bag. And I've hauled these pieces before, but they don't have any more. Because it looks like they got all that they have and put it in this clearance bag. So what this is in here, there's just a bunch of different like cabochon hearts, different colors. Super fun, right? I don't even know what that is. This is like a lopsided heart. But I've hauled these before. And I just thought this is so cool to get this big old bag for $5. So I'm going to share that with Anna. And then last but not least, I had to pick up their charms. Their charms, they had dollar charms, and then they had 50-cent charms. So I picked up 50-cent charms, and I got doubles in some, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what I picked up. So I picked up these. These were 50 cents each, and they were so pretty that I just got it anyways because this would look so cute with like a mermaid theme project. So these two have like gold, and then these two have silver. So these are enamel charms. So I picked that up, and then I also picked up this little random charm that's a panda bear. And then I picked up these unicorns, and they had different colors, but this was my favorite, so I had to pick up two. The unicorn is white, it has gold, and then it's dark blue. Picked that up. Picked up this panda head. Here's another style of unicorn that I picked up. See, the other one with the blue wings is my favorite. This one, and then a unicorn head. These were all 50 cents each. And these are all new ones. I haven't seen those before. And then I think I've picked up these before. I don't recall, or something similar to these. So I picked up those. And then I picked up this. This is like a coffee mug with like a flower, a pen, a ruler. Got that one. And then last but not least, this was super cute, so I picked up two. It's a little unicorn. It's gold, and then it has like blue enamel, and then the unicorn, what do you call that? The horn or whatever you call that, and its feet is pink. So I thought that was really cute. So that is my downtown Los Angeles haul. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. I hope everybody enjoys the rest of their day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now.